Hi Web Design, this is Anna Grantham and I am completing the evaluation of typography assignment. So I just Googled some good examples of teacher websites and it led me here. So I've got Ms. Scribner's website here and I'm just going to go through CRAP for my evaluation. So the C stands for contrast. And when I'm looking through her website, there's a couple different ways that you can use contrasting. The first is color. I do not like how she uses color contrast here. I don't like having red text on a white background. For me, it's very difficult to read for an extended period of time. The next thing that I noticed is that all of her text is in one font style. So it looks like it's Comic Sans here. So if you scroll through, and the only times that you see her leave from that text style seems to be unintentional, like something she had to copy and paste directly per her school rules and procedures. So we've got that. I also don't like her use of highlighting here. She's got dark text on an orange background as well as dark text on a green background. I don't feel like that stands out very well, and it's difficult to read that dark text on that green background. The next thing I want to note is that anytime she has a change in font size, it seems to be unintentional as well. We've got the parent and student announcements up here at the top that are significantly smaller than what seems to be the class announcements. And if you notice, the ecology class, the forensic science class, and the biology class, they're not separated very well. The only thing that seems to really be separating them is this very small image that does not actually speak to the content of the class unless you know the students that are in the image. So next thing is repetition that I want to talk about. So if we look at, you've seen the main welcome page for this website. If you click on biology assignments, you'll notice that the layout is very, very different. So it's not easy to use, it's not repetitive. And I also like to talk about alignment on this page. You'll notice that this seems to be a catalog of all of the assignments for the year. And the assignments that were done in August are in a very squished column over here, while the ones during the middle of the year and later in the year are given much more room. So it would be nice if you could see an even amount of spacing on this page. Her navigation tools aren't too bad as far as getting back to the main page. If you scroll down again, I want to talk about proximity a little bit. As far as if I were a biology student, for example, using this website, it's kind of hard to find what I need because ecology is all written in the same color and in the same font style. So if I was a biology student, I would be able to come here. I can find the Meet the Teacher video that she's got, and then it says find assignments and due dates for biology in the assignment file and lesson plans calendar. See listing below. So then you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and all of these resources are, they are organized alphabetically, but it's not really user-friendly. What I would have liked to see is nested links, so you could just click on biology, and then you would see something about biology assignments, and then a second link for the schedule of assignments in biology. I think that would make that a little bit more user-friendly and add to the overall proximity for the course. So that's all I've got. Thank you.